Right, what do we need to do? What do we actually need to do?
We need to go get RGs.
That's a very good point, but should we load up on metal in the ravine? Should we go and clear out a load of Deinonychus? Right, yeah, let's try and get some of this metal out of there. There's about 4 of them down there.
I think it's way more than 4.
They're coming.
I did not take long. I'm about to die, by the way. No!
I got it. Oh, there's still loads down there,
There's
man.
so many. Because there's eggs down here. So there's
Yeah.
loads.
Oh, but we need the metal. We need to sort out irrigation as well. There's one of Sam's bodies here.
There's so many Sam's bodies down here. There's like 10. I think we're pretty safe to just rain down fire on him, to be honest.
Oh, there's one. I missed.
I can't even see him. Maybe I can. Oh yeah, I've got a tiny little angle.
Right, that one there. Just stay there. He looks like he's stuck. Stay there. Yeah, I got one.
Yeah. Where's this blue one going? Nah, Dwight. One again. What the hell?
What's the Diplodocus
Oh, I killed him.
doing? Nice.
Oh, the Diplodocus. Don't shoot the Diplodocus.
What the hell?
Wait a minute. I don't have a pike.
Yes. Right, I've got to run through. I need water.
The Diplodocus is after you, by the way.
What's he doing? Leave me alone, man. You freak.
Shall we kill this last one and then it's safe to
Oi.
be Yankee now?
Boom. All of them are gone. Die. Hey, have that. What's in the supply drop? Let's have a look. Ooh, quite a lot of stuff actually. What's Pum Chung doing there? Pum Chung, get away from the edge, please. I've got a load of these adobe things. I might make myself a little cabin. There we are. Our little hut, little mud hut. Right, let's have a look at Sam in here.
Oh, hell yeah. Oh, quad feed. I'm just watching a craftsman perfect his craft. It's absolutely beautiful.
Oh my god. Oh, I nearly fell off the edge. Oh, if I kept going, I would have fallen. Oh my god.
You're literally 1 foot off. Jesus. Bring it basically to the house. Oh, hell yeah.
There we go, that'll do.
That time.
One final thing. Boom.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
Oh, water's never tasted so good.
That is so good.
What am I hearing? What's that noise, man?
Self bar. I was like doing a little jig. Should we get some Trancos actually?
Yeah, that's a good idea. That's a very good idea. Do you want to take Elf Bar out for a quick puff and get some berries?
Yeah, I'll take off.
How do we make a fabricator then?
Oh no!
Oh, you killed a Chewbacca!
I did that on purpose. I heard this little gimpy noise, and I had to just.
Right, 39 meat. 39 meat.
I'll just go put my meat in the animal. Yeah, I'm ready.
Where should we go? Which direction?
Should we go see the big green first? It's just behind us.
Yeah, right. Let's go over to the green obelisk. Ooh, there might be some beavers around here. Beavers are good. We need beavers. Beavers for wood. Beavers for silica pearls. There's a beaver dam. Bosh.
You've got to be quick. If not, I'll come running in. Yeah, quick, run. Get out.
I got it. No, Pum Chung.
Right, we had to intervene. You're getting dicked.
I'm dying. I'm dying. I'm
Pum Chung's gonna die, Milo. Pum Chung's gonna die. I've got to back Pum Chung. Pum Chung's alive, but he's not for long.
Turn around.
He's down
Pum
here.
Chung.
He's down here.
Pum Chung's following me. Let's get out of here, Pum Chung. Let's go.
I'm following you. I'm the cavalry.
You legend. Let's get out of here. Let's go.
Oh wow, right here.
I don't like how it's in all this forest.
Why?
I don't know. I wish it was a bit more open. I mean, let's just. I'm gonna fly up. I'm gonna see what's occurring up top. See if I can see any mountains or anything resembling a mountain. Right, follow me.
Right.
Archie, down to your right. There's like a green boy.
There's one directly below me.
Yeah.
He's sick.
I hit the RG. RG's coming. I hit the RG.
I need to equip my Tranquilus now. Uh-oh.
Don't go that way.
Is he running? Oh, there's a Carno.
He's down.
There's a Carno right there. He's coming for his body.
Oh, I killed the RG. Oops.
Killed the Archie.
Right, let's go. Let's fly off. Oh, that's an Alpha Rex.
Is it?
Yeah. Look at the size of it. It's massive. And glowing red.
Oh yeah, it is Alpha. Should we go to this next mountain over this way?
Yeah. RGs.
Oh, Les Rex. Jesus, that Alpha Rex is massive.
Yeah.
Blood shoots first.
Saves it.
Dick.
Saves it.
Oh,
I'm out.
I don't know where my fucking horse is. He's fighting the RG. Oh my god, I'm dead. Good man, that helped me. Oh my god, he's actually a Dom.
Oof.
Thank fuck. Thank you, Rafa. That fucker. We get attacked and his first instinct is fly off.
I killed an RG's dead. Oh.
Yeah, bloody Pietro killed him.
Nice one, Pietro, you doofus. That RG looks like it's gonna die.
It is fighting Hyenodons.
Yeah,
It's
RG dead.
Why do they live here if they can't hack it?
Nice shot.
Hit.
It's flying. Leave it. Let it go down. Yeah, nice. It seems we're here. I'm going to set up a bed atop this mountain, so we can exploit it at a later date. Boom.
Hey, trike. Did you attack the fucking trike? Go on, Pietro, son. Look at him. Look how nimble he is. Pietro, and again, Pietro. Oh, just get out of the way.
Yeah, nothing.
Aura.
Oh, it's another one.
Another one.
Yes.
Pietro.
Pietro and Pum Chung. Lethal duo.
Yeah.
It's like watching Messi and Ronaldo in their prime. These guys just bouncing off each other, you know.
Just enjoy them, man.
These two going band for band. Trike for trike.
He's got so much meat now that he's weighing himself down.
Hey.
Oh yeah.
Do you want to name him?
Oh God, the pressure.
You're good at names.
No, I'm not. I just have an unusual brain.
Ernesto, nice. Welcome, Ernesto.
Ernesto the Argentavis.
Welcome.
Welcome, Ernesto.
I quite like him.
I quite like. Look at him looking down on me. Hello.
Hello, doggy. Hello, doggy.
Should we go to this little cliff over here?
Yeah, it's good.
Over this little pond. This pond is beautiful.
Very pretty pond.
There's a little island in the middle as well. It's like Loot Lake for wheel. Oh my God, the glare! I actually can't see anything.